Hi students, now I am going to teach carbon resistor. Resistors means it is a device. It is used to resist the current. Okay, generally it is used to resist the flow of electron is called resistor. Carbon resistors means here the carbon resistor consists of a ceramic core on which a thin layer of crystalline carbon is deposited. Crystalline carbon is deposited, so that resistor is called a carbon resistor. Generally, the carbon resistors are inexpensive and it has a compact size and it is stable. So, it is used in the field of the science and technology. It is used in these electrical circuits. Okay, students. So, the image of the carbon resistor is also given here. So you can notice that these are the carbon resistor. It consists of ceramic core on which the thin layer of carbon is deposited. Inside the thin layer of carbon is deposited. Outer there is also having this one of the ceramic core. Okay, students. So in this carbon resistors there is also having some colored rings. It is also having these colored rings. Here these colored rings, it is used to identify the value of the resistors, the value of the resistance of the resistors. Okay, students. The carbon resistor consists of ceramic core on which a thin layer of crystalline carbon is deposited, and already I thought to you resistors are inexpensive, stable and compact in size. The color rings are used to indicate the value of the resistance of the resistors. Okay, so in resistor there is a three colored rings are used. It is used to indicate the value of the resistor. The first two rings, in these first two rings are significant figures of resistance. The third ring indicates the decimal multiplier of them. Okay, the three color, in three color the first two rings are significant figures of the resistance. The third ring indicate the decimal multiplier after them. Okay, so to identify the value of the resistance of the resistors, here the value of the color is given. If there is a black color means it has a number is 0, brown 1, red 2, orange 3, yellow 4, green 5, blue 6, violet 7, grey 8, white 9. Gold means it is having the multiplier, that is 10 power minus 1. It has the values, tolerance values is 5%. Silver, it has the values 10 power minus 2. The tolerance values is 10%. If there is no color, there is no colored ring at the end means here it has a tolerance is 20%. So the fourth color, it is indicated by the silver or gold, shows the tolerance of the resistors at 10% or 5%. Okay, students, you can see the diagram. So in this image of the resistors there is a four color. The fourth color, it is indicated by the gold color. The gold color, it is give the tolerance of the resistors. Okay, so the first point, the fourth color, silver or gold, shows the tolerance of the resistor 10% or 5%. Okay, so already we discussed for the gold color, it has a tolerance is 5%. So in this diagram there is having this gold color. So for the resistor it has a tolerance value is 5%. It has a tolerance value is 5% because it is indicated by the gold color. Okay, students. So next, here the first three color. The first three color, in this first three color, first two colors is indicate the significant figures. Here you note it, the first one is noted by the green. Okay, for the green it has a value is 5. So we can note that it has a value is 5. Next, it is indicated by the blue. For the blue, it has a value is 6. Okay, so the first two colors is indicate the significant figure. Third color, the third color is one of the decimal multiplier. Decimal multiplier means that is orange color. The orange color, it has the number is 3. So you need to give that value is 10 power 3. And you know the gold color, it has the value is 5%. So we can write plus or minus 5%. Okay students, so it has the values is 56. 10 power 3 means it can be written as kilo ohm plus or minus 5%, the tolerance values. So for the resistor, that is the first color is green, it has a value is 5. The second digit, that is blue, that has a value is 6. Next decimal multiplier, it has a value is orange, that is 10 power 3. So tolerance is 5%. So the value of the resistance is 56 into 10 power 3 ohm or 56 kilo ohm with the tolerance value plus or minus 5%. Okay students, so this is a method to identify the value of the resistance of the resistor. Okay, so next one is here we are going to discuss about the multiplier. So the multiplier is a very useful electronic instrument used to measure the voltage, current, resistance and capacitance. Okay, it is a device, it is used to measure the voltage, current, resistance and capacitance. In fact, it can also measure AC voltage and AC current. Okay, it is used to measure the alternating current and alternating voltage. Okay, so next one is here the circular slider has to keep in appropriate position to measure each electrical quantity. In diagram you can see that there is also having the one of the circular slider. This circular slider, it is used to measure the appropriate value. Okay, the appropriate position to measure the each electrical quantity. Suppose if you need to calculate the values of the current means, here it is given the values in ampere, that is indicated by the, it is given the values is ampere. So you can rotate that slider, circular slider, and you can measure the alternating current. Suppose you need to calculate the values of the voltage means, in multiplier there is also indicated the voltage. Okay, so you can rotate the slider and you can measure the voltage of the device. Okay students, right? So the circular slider is used to measure the appropriate value of the electrical quantity. It is a method to measure the resistance. Again, the resistance of the resistor is measured. Okay, this is a method to measure the voltage. Okay, for the battery we are measuring the voltage. So next one is temperature dependence of resistivity. The resistivity of the material is dependent on temperature. We know that it is experimentally found that for a wide range of temperature, the resistivity of a conductor increases with the increase in temperature according to the expression. So when the temperature is increases means the resistivity of the material, the resistivity of the conductor is increases. When the temperature increases means the resistivity is also increases. Okay, right? So it is given by the expression of rho T. Rho T means that is that resistivity of the material at a temperature T is equal to. So next, multimeter. A multimeter is a very useful electronic instrument used to measure voltage, current, resistance and capacitance. So multimeter is a single device By using this device, you can measure the voltage, current, resistance, and capacitance. In fact, it can also measure alternating current and alternating voltage. Here in multimeter, it has circular slider is kept in appropriate position to measure the electrical quantity like voltage, current, resistance, and capacitance. So this is a image to measuring the current, measuring the resistance. You can notice that the multimeter is a single device. In this device, at a center there is having this one of the circular slider. The circular slider has to be kept in